Hello, today we are going to demonstrate the Wazoo open source security platform. The group members are Naveed, Awais and Mariam. Now we will see what is Wazoo. Wazoo is a free open source and enterprise ready security monitoring solution for threat detection, integrity monitoring and incident response and compliance. How to install Wazoo and what is the architecture of Wazoo? Basically, Wazoo consists of Wazoo Manager, Filebeat, Elasticsearch and Kibana. And once all are configured, we have placed Wazoo plugin inside the Kibana to visualize the data. The endpoints are responsible to send the data to Wazoo Manager, and then Wazoo Manager then uses the configuration of Filebeat to insert all data in Elasticsearch, and we can visualize in our dashboards. So these are some of the features which Wazoo covers: security analytics, configuration assessment, intrusion detection, incident response, log data analysis, regulatory compliance, file integrity monitoring, cloud security, vulnerability detection and container security. In next, we will see that we have to first install Elasticsearch, then Wazoo Manager, then Kibana and Filebeat on our Windows machine or in our Ubuntu machine, the which is preferable. And on the other end, we will install some Wazoo agent on a Windows machine to which we want to monitor it. And in that machine, we will see some interface like this. And here we have to give the manager IP to means in which the Elasticsearch and whole stack has been installed. Now we will see the initial interface of Wazoo. By logging in into this, you have to witness that this is the IP 192.168.18.222. Login with Elastic and the provided username password which we have set. Now in this, after logging in, we have seen that we have came to a page and this is the Wazoo plugin. After clicking on the plugin, we will see some data that has been preloaded to initialize the tool. One active agent is there and the agent IP is 192.168.18.176, and we have seen that the same IP of our Windows machine is this. This means that our Windows machine is hooked up with the Wazoo Manager. Now in this, we are going to demonstrate the integrity monitoring. What is integrity monitoring or file integrity monitoring, and how will we achieve this? By using, we will add some syscheck in the Wazoo configuration which I will show you, and then we will see how the file's integrity has been monitored in the integrity monitoring stack like this shown in the slide. Now we will go to our agent manager, and this we have given the IP of Wazoo Manager 222 and our machine IP is also 222. Alright, and our agent IP is 176. Now I will show you that where I have added the syscheck configuration. At the end of the file, we have seen that the syscheck configuration has been added and we are going to monitor the directory name monitored. Alright, so I will come in the integrity monitoring part here, and from back I am in the monitor directory, and I will see that how it will help us to monitor the file integrity. I have checked the last 15 minutes in order to gain some access right now, and we will see from there that if we create a file in this new and we create a text document and name it computer security. Now we will see if this log has been, so by refreshing the page we will see that the directory monitored, and in this computer security txt has been added. Now if we change some text in the computer security like anything, then it can be actively monitored in our Wazoo interface like this. The modified integrity checksum integrated, and we have achieved this using the file integrity monitoring feature. And if I delete this file intentionally and my directory has been continuously monitoring using Wazoo, I will see some log of this inside here after the modified path. See, the deleted log is always and is also present, and if I inspect this log I can see the whole details of the log. So file integrity monitoring can be done using Wazoo Manager or Wazoo Stack, and this is the screenshot I have added in slide also, and from where we have taken all of these is the reference part. Thank you.